Welcome to this lecture, and I'm going to briefly deal with how to overcome orthorexia. The consequences of orthorexia can be just as severe as those from other eating disorders. We've established that in earlier lectures. If orthorexia is left untreated, this can lead to damage that is irreversible. Damage to a person's health that you cannot completely reverse. That's why it's important. Tell others. Free coupons if you finish this course. So the first step towards overcoming orthorexia is identifying its presence. This can be challenging because individuals who have this disorder are less likely to recognize any of its negative effects on their health, well-being or social function. After all, they're eating healthily, they're losing weight. Look at all these vitamins and supplements they take. They run for 2 hours a day, they're busy weightlifting. Look at those muscles. They're constantly applying all the latest theories in their life. And yes, they're telling all their friends, and have you seen their Instagram pictures? And they've got 2 million followers, and look at how they hold their waist in. No, they haven't got a huge clothesline. They're not making loads of money out of it, but oh, they are so happy. How do we know they're happy? They keep telling you they're happy. Look at their golden smile and their tooth whiteners and how their body is so perfect, especially after Photoshop. And they go swimming only in cold water, of course, and they burn off all the brown fat, and they cook only using this type of cooking utensils, and at night they meditate. They also comply with the circadian rhythm, and they get up at 5 o'clock in the morning and they go walking and grounding and earthing, and they only eat organically, and they only eat this type of food at this time, and they only eat on this shaped plates of this color, and they only use a fork or a knife in that order, and they only stand on one foot when they're cleaning their teeth, and they have such a wonderful life. But once an individual is able to recognize these negative effects, it's recommended that they seek help from a multidisciplinary team that includes a doctor, a psychologist, and a dietitian. Common treatments include exposure and response prevention, behavior modification, cognitive restructuring, various forms of relaxation training. However, the effectiveness of these treatments for orthorexia has not been scientifically confirmed. Finally, education about scientifically valid nutrition information may also help people living with orthorexia to understand, limit, and eventually eliminate false food beliefs. And this course is about doing exactly that. Again, spread the word.